Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Adoolla 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: effective cooling. Stay cool and comfortable all summer with our 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. Our air conditioner is designed to cool rooms up to 350 square feet. Ambient temperature and humidity may influence optimum performance. Enjoy cool comfort. Our air conditioner is designed to provide whole room cooling. With automatic horizontal swing wind and manual vertical wind, the unit can swing at 80 degrees to provide widespread oscillation and cool every corner of your room. Perfect for quickly cooling small to large rooms, including offices, bedrooms, and living rooms, on hot days. Enjoy cool comfort no matter where you are in the room. 3-in-1 multi-function mode. Our air conditioner is not just a cooling AC unit, it also has a dehumidifying mode, 45 pints per day. Fan mode, airflow, 300 square meter per hour, 2 fan speeds, 24-hour timer, and sleep mode. Get the perfect temperature and humidity level for your space. Easy installation. Our air conditioner is designed for fast cooling and quick setup. Just rotate the two ends of the exhaust pipe to connect and you're ready to go. One end is connected to the air conditioning vent and the other end connects to your window. We also have an installation video to guide you through the process. Extendable exhaust hose. Our air conditioner comes with an extendable exhaust hose that can be adjusted from 11 to 59 inch. This allows you to easily connect the unit to your window or other ventilation systems. Convenient timer and sleep mode. Our air conditioner is built with a 24-hour timer and sleep mode for added convenience. Set the timer you want and enjoy a restful night's sleep without worrying about adjusting the temperature. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.